Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage SEAT, and today I'd like to show you around a lovely SEAT Arona FR Sport that's just arrived with us in our stock. Now this car is finished in the metallic black with the contrasting grey roof, and being in the FR Sport it has a lot of very nice touches. Now the first thing you notice is the red heater vent surrounds, which match in with the red stitching on the seats, which are half leather, half micro suede, and also the stitching on the gear lever and handbrake cover and steering wheel. Now the Arona's become one of our most popular selling cars. It's overtaken the Ibiza actually. Very similar in its DNA, but just a little bit higher off the ground, so does make getting in, getting out and carrying things just a little bit easier now. Plenty of space, seating for 5, and one of the Arona's trump cards is the rear boot configuration. So in this position the boot is virtually level, so if you have four-legged friends that like to jump in and don't want to have a lip to get over, then that helps. And then if I just bring it back slightly and nudge it forward, there we go, it makes the boot a couple of inches deeper, so carrying boxes and things just gives a natural stop, so it stops stuff sliding around quite so much. Now all of the Aronas have 2 Isofix fitments in the back, so if you are carrying plug-in seats for the little ones, then that makes life a lot easier. Not so much messing around with the seat belts. And then when you come up to the front, you've then got this lovely rake and reach adjustable steering wheel, the big media system, which is common in a lot of cars nowadays. And this one has a 6-speed manual gearbox with reversing sensors. You have a wireless phone charger, which is quite unusual in a car of this size, and also the ability to change the different driving profiles. So choose between the normal setup, a slightly more economical mode, or if you want to crack on with things, you can actually have it in a slightly sportier setup. Now the touchscreen is great, which allows you to preset stations for digital radio. You can also stream music either via Bluetooth, or you can plug in using the USB-C. You also have the option of built-in satellite navigation, Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, depending on your phone preference. But one of the things that works well with the Arona is if you want to just plug in a destination and go, it's simple. But if you want to get involved, you can get right down into the finer details as well. Cruise control is standard, as well as a speed limiter, and believe it or not, this car has covered just over 3,000 miles. So hopefully this short video gives you an idea as to how lovely the car is. It's virtually new, to be honest. It's a 7.3 registration plate, so it still has the balance of SEAT's 3-year guarantee. So if you like what you've seen and you'd like to discuss your car or financing any part of it, then please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks again for watching. Give us a like if you liked it. If not, don't worry. Bye for now.